my family and friends. Today I'll show you another style of cooking the chicken. It's also healthy. It's just like set it and forget it. It's really good. It tastes good. You can put anything you like inside the chicken and then just sit and forget it. Before I show you, please don't forget to subscribe, comment over here, and then don't forget to hit that bell button so when I have another video you get notified. My friends, my video next. And before, to those who don't know me, my name is Sally Casper. I will see you in a little bit. Family and friends, it's shoe time. Rotisserie in barbecue. This is very good. It depends how big is the chicken. You can set it if the chicken is small. So what I did is I put some, after I washed the chicken well, I put some spices like garlic salt and then seasoned salt. I put some let me see, lemongrass inside, and then just put in there. Look at that, my friends. I set it for 1.5 hours, and so it will come out very good. Look at that, my friends. Very nice and brown. Set it and forget it. And then if I will make it like brown, a little bit brown, like 5 more minutes, and then it's done. It's really moist. I love this. My husband loved this. So 3 to 5 minutes. It smells so good. And I will see you in a little bit. We're gonna eat this with salad and garlic bread.